Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to contact AWS support using the new 2026 Support Center interface, including the AI-powered troubleshooting tools. Let's get into it. First, sign in to the AWS console. Before you can get help, you need to be logged into your official Amazon environment. Search AWS on Google and click the official link to aws.amazon.com. If you're a new user, click Create an AWS account. If you already have one, click Sign in to the console and enter your credentials. You will land on the console home, which is your central hub for all services. Next, access the new Support Center. In 2026, finding help is easier thanks to a dedicated shortcut in the main navigation bar. Look at the top toolbar and click the question mark icon. Select Support Center from the drop-down menu. Once the support page loads, scroll down past the self-help resources and click on See All Cases. This brings you to your personal support dashboard. Lastly, use the AI Support Assistant. The 2026 update has simplified the ticket process. You no longer have to manually categorize your issue as billing or technical before starting. Click the yellow Create Case button in the top right. Instead of a long form, you'll see a single input box. Simply type exactly what you need in natural language, like I'm seeing an error on my S3 bucket, or why was I charged $50? As you type, the AI Support Assistant scans your AWS environment in real time. It will suggest immediate fixes or automatically fill in the service details, severity, and category for you. Review the AI-generated details, add any screenshots if necessary, and hit Submit to connect with an AWS expert. And that's pretty much it. To contact AWS in 2026, sign in to your console, navigate to the Support Center via the question mark icon, and click Create Case. By simply describing your problem in the AI-powered input box, the system does the heavy lifting of categorizing your request and finding the fastest path to a resolution. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.